Hi, I'm making this video because this girl hugged me for 20 seconds. This girl hugged me for 20 seconds, and now I'm gonna just talk about our trip to Six Flags with her. Okay, just stop walking. Stop walking. Okay, and go in the rocks.
What?
Just go in the rocks.
But I have to go.
No. It's the shade, the lighting.
Oh well, this is good right here.
Just go on the wall, right by the wall. It's good.
You go on the wall.
No, I'm not going on the wall. Just go on the wall.
Right here. This is good right here.
No, this is not good. Just go on the wall. Okay. So she and we went to Six Flags together, and it was good.
A whole bunch of other people.
Yep, and that's it. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's fun.
So is that it?
If you say so. If you say that's it. Yeah. Which ride was your favorite?
Medusa.
Medusa.
Is that it?
Cool. Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Mayo, Mel's got mayo, do you really want some? Mayo, Mel's got mayo, do you really want some? Come and ride on my banana with me, you know you really want to. Mayo, Mayo, we can be really good.
How do I put it? My New Year's resolution is complex and brilliant, that if I actually go by it, it might actually save my life. Hell, if you went by this New Year's resolution, it might also save your life. So, what is my New Year's resolution? I'll tell you because it's pretty simple. I want to stop fucking myself.
Making this video because it's really sad, it's stupid, it's getting old that people are saying that I'm dead. It's retarded. And so what if I'm fat? I'm fat, fuck it. Oh well, and your point is, I don't give a fuck. I'm not dead. I'm just fine. And I'm posting this video because I've got people PMing me, telling me, post a video, prove that I'm alive. What?